Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day to you all. I hope everyone is doing great. Hello, that is Sheringham. Gibeon. Hello, Sheringham. Well, that name seems a little bit newish. Is that your first time here? Your name seems to be new to us. Is this your first time? Are you a first timer? Because you are the number one today. Wow, number one to put their name on the comment box. What shall we give you? Sherry Ann Gibbons. Hello. Because you are the first one, I'm gonna give you some credits today. Precious. Hello, Precious. Good stuff. Thank you so much, Sherry Ann. You great. So you're the first to log in, you're the first to make a comment, and you're the first to hear me. Oh, great stuff, Sherry Ann. You see, I'm not a soothsayer. But I do have a talent to recognize anything new. That's my talent. Hello, Robert. Aku. Hello, how are you? Frank Gomack. Frank, is that your first time, Frank? I know we have few Franks, but the surname is a bit different. Gumwalk. Is that your first time? Tabang, hello. Jill, hello. Yes, very new. Good, Sherry Ann. Ernest, Avin, Ernest. Hola. Evening, Diado, how you doing? Handshake, Abolo. Is that your first time? Looks like we're getting new guys and ladies here today. Excellent. Good evening, Vuyo. Welcome back, Vuyo. Yes. I know. Second timer. You're moving up the rank. Don't worry. You're moving up all the rank. You're moving up and up. Sunday Matthews. Hello, Sunday Matthew. I'm not sure whether this is your first time or not, but that name's also look like it's newish, but you might have been here before. Raphael Kanyogo. Hello. I hope you're doing great. Oh, Chumzit. What's going on? Yeah, it's going good. It's going great. Thank you so much. Yes, Ernest Avin, first time. Good. I like when people come for the first time because they give us opportunity to slow down a little bit. Because sometimes we go at a high speed. But when we have new joiners, we kind of slow down a little bit. So, thank you so much. All right. Now, let's tell us where you are coming from. Let's know where you are from today. Okay, Anshel. Oh, you've been here before, right? Thank you so much for confirming that. So, where are we from today? Who is from Brazil today? Let me know. Where are you from? France, Germany, Brazil, Africa, Europe, Asia, Dubai, South Africa. Where are you from today, ladies and gentlemen? Okay, so Sunday is kicking it off today, and it's from Nigeria. Welcome to the program. Thomas G from South Africa. Robert from Uganda. Okay, Sherry, I'm from Brooklyn, New York City. Great stuff. I love Brooklyn. Mike Tyson is from there. Elijah. Hello, Elijah. Okay, where are you from, Elijah? I know, but remind us again, right? Okay, Zambia. Okay, Ivory Coast. I think this is the first time we have someone from Ivory Coast. Okay, so relaxation. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the live session from Ivory Coast. You are really highly welcome. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Ah, Frank, good. Elijah, excellent. Good stuff, everyone. It's fantastic to see you all today. Okay, so it looks like we have mixture of new guys and the veterans, you know. Cool. Relaxation from Ivory Coast. Oh, you say Côte d'Ivoire. It's Ivory Coast or Côte d'Ivoire. I like that. Côte d'Ivoire sounds Frenchy, you know. Ivory Coast is okay too. It's good. Yes, from Uganda, Etwaruna Shadrach. Omado, good stuff. Good to see you all. I'm always glad to find new people and the people that have been here before, so that I can share my knowledge and I can share what I know with you guys. So we're going to have fun today. Excellent. Okay, so let's kick the ball and start rolling now. Okay, we're going to start very shortly. Okay. So let's start now and other people will join us. Remember, today is Friday. So we're going to take it easy. We're going to lay it slowly. We're going to take it easy because we're going right into the weekend. So weekend, less Forex, more of family. Okay? The family takes over the weekend. Forex is going to take the back seat. Of course, if you are still single, or maybe you can marry Forex, maybe. Goodness me. Goodness me. Hope everybody is good. All right. So let's kick the ball now. We're going to start now, okay? So I'm going to load my chart to the screen so you can see it. Okay. All right. So now I've loaded my chart to the screen and let the party get started. Voyo, yes, let's get Shankura. Oh, you want to see that? Okay. All right. I'm going to, well, you tell me, let's get the party started. Okay. What does it say in your language? Okay. Because I want to pick the best, the one I can pick. You know, in boxing, it says this is the champion and this is the challenger. So let's say something like Michael Buffer says, let's get the party started. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be fun today. It's going to be fun today. Okay, let's get Shankura. We're gonna go Shankura. I hope Shankura means something good, mate. I hope it means something good. Eh? Otherwise, I'm gonna Google for it. I'm gonna use translator. Okay, let's push it. Let's push it. Let's push it. Okay, let's push it. Great stuff. Great people. Right. Okay, let's Munchibini. I like that. Munchibini. Let us Munchibini, ladies and gentlemen. And let us push it, ladies and gentlemen. And let us get Shakura. Okay, we're going to go Shakura now. Shakira. Anyway, we're here for Forex. All right. We're here for Forex. Okay. Behave yourself, Dari. Behave yourself. Okay. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. All right, here we go. So we have this box here. This is called a session box. It's a session that is it's a box that is drawn for us by an indicator. It's called session indicator. I'll quickly show you. If you go to indicator, you will see it is called sessions indicator. Okay, so if you are here for the first time, you are going to be looking at this for the first time, but don't worry, we got it covered. Okay, so when you open up that session, okay, what you are going to see inside it will look like that. Okay, so we use this indicator to mark different sessions we have in Forex. We have three major sessions in Forex. We have the Asian session, we have the Euro session, and we have the US session. So sometimes we just trade only one session. Sometimes we trade two sessions, or we might trade all the three sessions. Okay, for the benefit of today, or at least to the start of the training today, we are going to start with the Europe session. Okay, and what you need to set is the time and the color. Okay, so I'm going to set my time to 9 to 10 for Europe, and I'm going to make my color whatever. I used to use purple before, so why not go back to purple? Purple. Is that purple? Yes, I used to use purple, so I go back to purple color. Okay, now that's the only one I want to show for now. I want to show only Euro session. Okay, 9 to 10, that's 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. I don't want to show US session yet, so even though there is time there, I put the color to none. Likewise, I don't want to show the US session yet, even though there are time there, I put the color to none. And the price, I don't want to see the price on the chart as well. I'm not talking of the price on the original price on the chart, but the one that comes with the indicator. It's a bit different. Okay, so that's all you have to do. That's fini. Si fini, finito. Oh, party. What was that again yesterday? Oh, don't let us start again today, man. Don't let us start today, okay? Let's just keep it civil today, all right? From Bulgaria, hello from Bulgaria. How you doing? Okay, chum. Okay, it means money in South Africa. Okay, right, from Bulgaria. Welcome. And Barry, good to see you, Barry. So you transfer from the Telegram back here. Good man. Barry is a very good on the Telegram. He's been helping people out. He's been answering a lot of questions. So please give kudos to Barry for me, please. If you are here, give kudos to him. He's been good on the Telegram channel. Barry, maybe very soon you might be moving up to through the ladder as well. You know, you might be moving up through the ladder. So keep an eye and behave yourself, though. Excellent, good stuff. All right, so that is it about the indicator. So we just click OK to that, and we click OK to that. So now we got this box that is drawn for us. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you remember that the box we said 9 to 10. Okay, look into this data window for me, please. Into this data window, look at where we started from. Look at that time. You see it is reading 900. Okay, it's reading 900, and from there we have 905, 910, 15, on and on and on, and it gets you 10 o'clock, and the box top here. You know, when you have a big boss in the office, so yeah, the box stop with me. So here, the box stop here is stop at the garage or at the station. Okay, 10 o'clock, all done. Okay, so we got our box stop at 10 o'clock. Okay, but remember the 9 to 10 o'clock is the IC market time. Okay, so originally we are looking at 7 to 8 UK time or GMT. Okay, now you have to adjust that with your broker. You find what broker time you are using and then you adjust it. Okay, IC market is 2 hours ahead of UK. That's why instead of saying 7 to 8 on IC market, we say 9 to 10. Okay, good stuff. So now that you've drawn your box, your job now is to look for a candle that form outside the box. And that candle must be outside the box and must not be touching the line. Okay. Oh, Elijah, you failed to log in to the Telegram yesterday. Oh, okay. You want the link again? All right. Okay. I'm going to give it to you. Don't worry. Because I've seen a lot of our guys there. They've been very, very, very effective and they've been helpful. You know, because not everybody started Forex 15, 20 years ago. Some just started recently. And if you have the knowledge, you have the understanding, you know, and you are helping others, you know, you yourself, you make progress. That's it. You know, when you help other people, you know, you yourself, you're helping yourself. Definitely. I can assure you that. Progress is on your way. All right. You know, it's like what you wish for others, you wish for yourself. You know, that's it. It's a law of karma, right? Good stuff. Right. So now we're looking for the candle that is formed outside the box. Okay. Whether you are here for the first time or you are here for 100 times, fingers on the buzzer, please. Fingers on the buzzer, please. Yes. Shuki, the indicator is completely free. Okay. And the easiest way to get that indicator is to join the Telegram group. Okay. And it's there in the Telegram group. All you need to do is just click the Telegram link here and join that. And once you get there, you go in the file section and you open the file section, you download it. As you can see, it's called Sessions MQ4. All right. Fingers on the buzzer, people. My people, fingers on the buzzer, please. Okay? So, I'm going to make it easy for us today. It's only 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So, you are going to tell me whether it's 1, 2, and 3. So, we are looking for a candle that is outside of this box. And that candle is not touching the line. And should be the first one. Okay? So, it's outside of this box. It's not touching the line and it's the first one you can find. All right. So we call that candle the committed candle. We gave it another name yesterday. We said it's a committed candle, right? But the name we used to call it before is the trigger candle, whichever you like. Okay. Let's stick to the trigger candle. I think trigger seems like a more economical word than committed. All right, let's use our Forex word, trigger. Okay, so number 1, this is number 1. That's number 1 candle. That's candle number 2, and that's candle number 3. Who is the first one to get in there? Get in there. Get in there. Number 1, 2, or 3. Who is the first one to get in there? All right. Okay, the guy with the moniker Dark. Okay, if you are reading this, I'm saying thank you. I've learned a lot from you. Looking forward to more of your good advice on the channel. Okay, so Dark, we appreciate you very much. So team appreciates Dark. It's been helpful on the Telegram channel. Great stuff. That's what we want. Elijah, uncommitted. No, 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 no. We don't want uncommitted candle. We want the committed ones. Okay. So Takalani number 3. Tuesday number 3. Elijah 3. Sunday 3. One Delay 3. Die Hard Junior 3. Etuaruna 3. Okay. All right. Okay. Who else? Who else? Okay. Okay. So now, if you tell me your answer is number 1, you are wrong, because number 1 is not committed. It's not totally out. We don't want lukewarm candles, right? A candle that is lukewarm has 1 foot in the box and 2nd foot outside of the box. No, no, man, we don't want that at all, right? Elijah, do we? No, we don't want uncommitted candle. We want you all out. I look like Brian Lara. Okay. Brian Lara, is that a cricketer, right? Cricketer. Yes. Yeah. Thank you for that. He's a legend. Brian Lara is a legend. One of the greatest cricketer ever to surface on this world, no? So for you to be saying that, wow. So ladies and gentlemen, so this number 1 is 1 feet in, 1 feet out. Sorry, man, we don't want you. Candle number 2, 1 feet in, 1 feet out. No, we don't want you. Now, check out number 3. It's really committed. It's completely outside the box. Is completely outside the box. Okay, Brian Lara live in Trinidad. Yeah. Good. Welcome, Luna. Okay, so candle number 3, as you can see, is completely outside the box. It's not touching the line. Okay, that is what we call our trigger candle. That's what we call our committed candle. And that is what we call our trade candle. Okay. If you're looking for forest legend, maybe go where will you find them? I'm just a little boy here. Little boy. all right. Yes. Oh man. Oh, it doesn't take much to crack me up, ladies and gentlemen, you know. So okay. So we're looking for trigger candle, which is this one. Yes. So here we go. All right. So at the end of that candle number 3, when that candle closes, you put a sell order, because we've broken the box or the channel or the 2 lines. We broke it downwards. Okay. So these 2 lines represent the high of that 1 hour. And this line represents the low of that 1 hour. So the box itself is an hour box, because this is 5 minutes. That's why you see, if you count the number of candles, there should be around 12 candles, 12 or 13 candles, okay, to make that 1 hour. Okay, so now we go short from here, and the first thing you need to determine is what's your stop loss. Okay, now that you go short from this line, the opposite line here will be your stop loss. I suggest add 1 or 2 pips just to avoid being unnecessarily stop out if it just touches the line. Okay, 1 or 2 pips is enough. Secondly, you need to find is the TP, take profit target, which is the size of this box. So let's measure the size of this box. Today the size of this box for euro dollar is good. It's a good size. 20 pips. 20 pips. Oh, I am Indian, and how can I use this indicator in the India stock market? It's very simple. If your broker uses MT4 platform, that's perfect. All you need to do is just plug it in. I'm going to show you that we have used it for Japanese stock market, we have used it for US stock market, German stock market, France stock market. So you are going to be okay with it. All right. Yes. So now our take profit target is 20 pips. Okay. All right. So let's see if we get 20 pips from this line to that line, and how many of this multiple of 20 pips we can get. Remember that your TP1 is going to be 20 pips. Your TP2 will be 40 pips, which is twice. TP3 is 3 times, 60 pips. TP4 is 4 times, 80 pips. 500 pips, and so on and so forth. It depends on how many you want to set. Okay, some day you get only TP1, and some other day you might get up to TP7. So sometimes just get ready, prepare for the best. You know, prepare for the what did they say? They say prepare for the worst and hope for the best. So I would say the opposite. Oh no, prepare for the best and hope for the best. Okay, yeah, prepare for the best and hope for the best. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, now let's see how many pips we get from that line going downwards. So here we get 70 pips. Okay, remember we got the box size is 20 pips. Now we got 70 pips. So if you do the maths, so you got your TP1, you got your TP2, and you got your TP3. So you are not quite at TP4 yet. Excellent. Great stuff. Anyway, is that very clear? Is there anybody with any question at all for that particular demonstration? Okay. There we go. Any question from anybody? Any question at all? Okay, so we are going to move to the next one, which is the USD Swiss francs. Okay, USD Swiss francs. And this time around, I'm sure the new people understand it now, but in case they have questions, I'm just going to slow down a little bit, not too much, in order not to bore all our returning students. Okay, so if you are here for the first time, I just want to use this one to demonstrate and show you quickly. Okay, so I will slow down a little bit. Okay, now this is the box again, 9 to 10 on IC market. On other broker, it might be different. So if you don't know what time it should be for your broker, join the group, Telegram group. So you're going to get a lot of people that are coming from the same country as you are, or using the same broker as you are. So you can ask questions like, I'm using Hot Forex. Where should my box be? What time should I put my box in? So you are not going to be all by yourself at home. You are inside with other group of people of the same interest as yourself. Good. So now you got the box, and now we are going to look for the first candle that is outside the box completely. Okay, this time around I want the new people to answer me the question. If you are new, this is your chance to shine. You know, you want to shine. Okay, so now this is candle number 1, and this is candle number 2. New people, 1 or 2. Which one is the committed candle here? Which one is the trigger candle? We don't want one leg in, one leg out. No, we don't want one leg in, one leg out. We want all out. We want all out. Okay, tell me, 1 or 2. Where we go? Here we go. Anybody? Number 1 or number 2? Which one is it? Sunday number 2, Sharia number 2, Ahmad number. Oh yes, what's your answer? Asmad. Okay, good. Number 2. All right. Onshare number 2, UK number 2. Excellent. Okay, I hope you agree with that, Asmad. Yes. Okay, number 2. Excellent. Precious number 2. So if you tell me your answer is number 1, I'll say, no, you are completely wrong, because that number 1 candle is called uncommitted candle. One leg in, one leg out. One leg in, one leg out. No way. We're going to spit it out. But candle number 2 is the real committed candle, right? So it is outside of the box. So what do we do next? We draw our line, okay? We draw our line here, which is our buy line this time. The first trade we did was a sell trade. This one is a buy trade. So when you buy, your stop loss will be the lower line. Yeah, the low of the hour, this lower line. Or just add 1 or 2 pips to it. Okay, and your take profit target, as usual, is the size of this box. Oh, small size today. Shame. Okay, it's 8 pips, about 8 pips. Okay, so 8 pips. Now you are looking for 8 pip target from here as your TP1. So and you can set your TP level to how many level you want. TP1 to TP10. Let's see how many TP we get from here. Okay, I'm gonna give you an exercise. Everybody, exercise. Type for me how many TPs do you think you can get from here to the top. Knowing that this is our TP1. This is the size of our TP1. How many of these TPs can you get from this buy line to the highest point? Let's see who's going to get it most accurate. The closest. Let's see. The closest person. Off you go. Everybody. Okay, make a guess. All right. UK think is 4. Axma think is 10. Anshells think is 8. We need more people. Yes, UK 12. Okay. Shaki 12. More people, please. This is where we want the veteran. The veteran, where are you? Veterans. There's no more veterans here. Sunday 11. Veterans, where are you? Let's see your color. Don't shy away. Precious 10. Don't shy away. All right. Don't shy away. Let's see your hands. Let's see what you made of. Good stuff. All right. Anybody else? Before we reveal the answer. After we reveal the answer, don't tell me, oh, yeah, that's what I think. I just wanted to say that. I was about to say that. Empty. You think it's 13. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's do it now. Okay. So I'm going to measure from here to the top of the mountain. Okay. And then we'll see how many of these 888 pips we can get from here to the top of the mountain. Okay. Sharia, you think it's 10 times. Okay. The moment of truth. Who else is there? Okay, Mark B12. Okay. Once I measure it, that means you can't say your answer anymore. Anyone else? Okay, Mark B is the last. Okay. Okay, Elijah 9. Okay, that's it. That's it. The phone line has been closed. If you phone, you're going to be charged. And your vote will not count. Now let's measure that to the top of the hill. Top of the hill, 94. Okay, 94, ladies and gentlemen. Divide 94 by 8. What is the answer? 94 divided by 8. Who can tell us that? I'm sure some hot mathematicians are here. Who doesn't need calculator to do that? 94 divided by 8. What is the answer? 94 divided by 8. What is the answer? 10 of 8. Is it? I know 8 times 10 is 80. 8 times 11, 88. 8 times 12 is 96. Okay. 8 times 9. That's this. Okay, so 1175. Okay, 1175. 12. Okay. So if the answer is 11.75, because we are dealing with TPs, so you can't take half of TP, so you have to go back to the 11. If the answer is 11.75, so the TP is 11. So now let's see who got it right. I'm going to reverse back and tell you what your answers were. Okay, so let's start. Who started? Okay, UK, you says 4. No, not close enough. I'm at 10, not close enough. Okay, maybe, yeah. Okay, so I'm at 10. UK 12. Shaki 12. Sunday 11. Okay. Precious 10. Empty 13. Sherian 10. Mark 12. Elijah 9. Robert 10. Okay, Etwanda 10. Okay, 11. So we conclude that the person that said 11, Sunday, carry the day. Sunday, well done. So you got the gist. Yeah. Sunday got it. Thank you so much, Enshare, for being truthful, because you suggested Sunday got it, and that is right. Good. Well done, Sunday. Okay, good stuff. So I hope we all understand that. Okay. So this is TP 11. So that's why I said, prepare for the best and hope for the best. So if you prepare that you might get 10 TPs and you end up getting 10 TPs, whoa! Yippee! Sunday, you got here. You got there. Okay. So now the floor is open to everybody or anyone who wants to see anything. Okay. I know somebody was talking of India stock markets. All right. So maybe we should start with that. Anybody has any question? You want to see a particular chart, or you want to discuss something? Okay, this is the time. And by the way, I told you guys that the Telegram channel is open. The Telegram group is open. You are welcome to join that group now. Okay, Zanzibar in Tanzania. Oh, Zanzibar, is that the... Oh, that's the island. Oh, Zanzibar Island. That's good. Tanzania. Okay, yes. So I've just pasted the Telegram group for you. On the Telegram group, I believe we are over 600 people on the group. So can you imagine? Over 600 people. You will definitely see somebody from India, from all over. So you'll be welcome to join them and post your questions. You get answered. Okay, Mark B, you want to see the box again? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move to another currency pair or another chart so that we can explain the box again. Okay, what can we check? Should we check Aussie dollar or something? Okay, so the box itself. Okay, so no, I want to change the line. I want to put the line thicker. Okay, and then that's a high, that's a low. Okay, but before I do that, let me put this one off first. Okay, so this box is an hour, 1 hour. And when does it start? It starts at 9 o'clock. That candle is 9 o'clock. Okay, this is 9 o'clock candle, and it ends at 10 o'clock. So the indicator will automatically draw the box for us. So that's the indicator there. So we want to draw from 9 to 10. Okay, so indicator will draw it for us, and we will put a line at the top of it and put another line at the bottom of it, and then we'll be looking for candle that trade or close outside it, either up or down, and that is where we take our trade. Oh, the Telegram group is called Simple Breakout Strategy, SBS. If you click the link I just show you, did you manage to click that link? If you click that link, you join the group automatically. Otherwise, if you search for it, it's called Simple Breakout Strategy, SBS. Okay, so let's see. Indian markets. I don't have Indian market on my oh, we have Chinese market, we have US market, we have UK market, we have Japanese, Italian, Hong Kong, Spain, France, Germany, Australia. Okay, I wonder why there's no India here. That's not good. India is a big country. They should have their own here. Yeah. What time frame is it? The time frame is 7 to 8 GMT. So you convert that to your broker's time. All right. So let me do China. Okay, let's just do China. Probably China is far away. You know, it's far away from Europe. So let's do China. Okay. So if we do China, you may not necessarily use Europe to trade China. So what we have done in the past was to do Asian session. Okay, so we do Asian session. That means we enable Asian session now. Okay, so Asian session, we put it let's say make it that forest green. In fact, we can also enable American session. So American session, let's call it let's call that whatever. Let's call it pitch puff, if there's anything like that. Okay. I don't like that color. It's blocking. It's actually blocking the candles. I don't like it. It's blocking the candle. So maybe aqua. Let's see what aqua does. Should we manage with that? Should we manage it, or let's change it one more time? What can we change it to? Aqua. We don't want aqua. Okay, let's try look for something bluish, medium purple, orchid. Okay, violet. Let's try violet. Okay, we'll leave it violet. Okay, violet is okay. It's okay. Oh, I like that violet color. Okay. So this is the American session. This is Europe session. And where is the Asian session? Did we do the Asian session? And where is the Asian session? 2 to 3, 9 to 3. Okay. All right. Is it far away? Okay. Asian session refused to draw for this one. Let me check. US 200. Okay, Asian session is there. I don't know why he doesn't draw for that one. Okay, let's look at US 500. So this is US 500. Okay, so this one is the Asian session box, followed by Europe box, and followed by American box. So it depends on which one you want to trade. Some people can trade the three together. Fantastic if you have the energy. And if you believe that you can gain a lot of pips. But as you can see for this US stock, where does all the powers lie? Does it lie in the Asian session? Does the power lie with Europe? Or do you think the power lies with American session for this particular instrument? It's obvious, isn't it? It is obvious. Hello, Pritesh. Welcome. Good to see you again. Longest time. Okay, so we know where the power lies on this one. The power lies with the US session. As you can see, you break out of this US session and they make the run for it. Okay, on that day. Okay, this is another day. This is another day. This is the Asian session. You got good number of pips. Europe session doesn't really last. You got some good pips. but the American session produced even bigger. Okay. Another day, Asian did well this time around. It did fantastic, make quite good pips. Europe did a little bit, and America, as usual, carries the day. And that is today. We are talking of right now. Because if you do that, you see that this is right now. It's still moving. So America carries the day when it comes to US stock market. Okay, where is from Pridesh? Okay, right. Any question from anybody? Any question? Today is Friday, so we are not going to labor ourselves too much. We're going to relax and enjoy the weekend. Okay, so excellent. All right. So let's do, we know we used to do on behalf of Flanders. We want to do JP225. Anyone that see him, tell him that we did JP225 because he loves JP225. All right, so let's look at JP225, which is this one, JP225. Is a Japanese stock market. So this is today. Okay, so we have a big box here today, and it was fantastic. In fact, it did make some money, not that much. Europe did extremely okay, but America beat them all. As you know that they have longer period to trade, because even part of here is still, Europe is still trading up to here. So, and that's why you see the market begin to hot up when Europe and America join together. They join forces. So Europe starts here and America join here. So at this stage, both are in together in this market. So you see the force is high. Now around this place, Europe closes, and then what happens? Forces start to drop down again. Okay. Excellent. Okay, so we have a look at US 30. Okay, we're going to look at US 30. Oh, now here, okay, let's analyze this one because Sunday is asking, do we know if we are to buy or to sell? Okay, so let's analyze this one. Okay, people that are here already, they know what to do, but nevertheless, I am going to explain it to you too. Okay, so now we have this box for this Asian session. So as we said before, you are looking for a candle that closes below. You see, there's no candle below here, so you are not going to sell. So when candle closes below, you are selling. When you have a breakout, bearish breakout, you'll be selling. When you have a breakout to the top, you'll be buying. So ideally now you see you have a breakout to the top. Okay. So you have a breakout here to this top. So that will be, that second candle will be your trigger candle. That's where you go long. Okay. When you go long from there, this box here, this box will be your target, TP1. Okay, so you buy. Similarly, when you get to Europe session, you change your box again, your two lines, move to Europe session. Also, there's no break below the line. There's a break above the line. So you go long after the first candle that does not touch the line. You go long. This is your take profit target 1. You move on again to American session. You take this at the top. You take this to the bottom. You are looking for candle that break below or above. You see this is the first candle that break above. And you take this as your TP1. And as you can see, you can have TP1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even more. Okay. So that's the story of the 3 sessions. I think they did very well. Somebody might be analyzing which of these currency pairs or which commodities or which indices actually do very well with the 3 sessions. So if you can identify one like that and you back test it for like 3 months and it's consistent, let me tell you, you got the license to print money. You got the license to rob the broker. to shut the broker's mouth out. Say, hey, Mr. Broker, get away from me. I don't need your anything. I can trade myself. Okay. So, who wants to see something else? US 30. Okay. Let's look at US 30. This is US 30. Is this today? No, this is let's go to today. Okay, this is today. Okay. Wow. Man, these boxes are doing marvelous job, man. They are doing fantastic job here. Wow. They're doing good job. If we can only follow it, you know. Something can be simple, but we still see some of us will not even follow it correctly. Okay. So now, ladies and gentlemen, you are looking for a candle that form outside, either below or below. So here, don't look anywhere here because there's no candle there. No candle below. The first candle we can see is this one. If you need me to zoom it in, I will do that. If you need me to zoom it in, okay, so this is the box. And the first candle, actually, if you look properly, okay, I am going to make it bigger, yes. If you look carefully, okay. By the way, I have two pair of eyes. My eyes, and I have another two pair of glasses on top of it. Or is it one pair? Okay, no. One pair of one pair of glasses on top of it. And it becomes like a binocular, binocular. So I can see this thing clearly from here. So what I can say is that this small candle here is not touching the line. Yeah, you can see it's not touching. These previous ones, I think it's touching. It's not so clear. So if you are not sure, just leave it alone. It's better to be safe than sorry. Okay, so you look for the one that is clear, that you can see. So here you can see that it is not touching it. So that is our trigger candle. That is our committed candle. It's our good candle. That's another name for it. Good candle. The other ones are bad candles. Joking. Okay, so I'm gonna put it at the close of that candle. That's where we buy from. Okay, so we buy from that little candle there at the close of this little candle, and your take profit for this one, the TP one, is the size of this box, which currently stands at 933. So let's call it 900, okay, or 950, just for easy calculation. So let's say it's 900, and then you are looking for take profit target of 900. So if you started from Asian session, you're looking for TP1 900. Now you got 1006. Let's even see what the final we got. We got as high as 3000. That's 3,300. So you're looking for 930 pips, and you get 3,000 plus. So that is from Asian session. Assuming you did Asian session and you trail your trade. But if you close before the Europe session, then you can jump into the session here again. You can jump into the trade again from here and following Europe. That's your high line. That's your low line. And then you get into a trade here. At the close of this candle, you got into a buy trade. You make your pips. You move to US session again. You are looking for breakout. This is the candle that breakout. I think it's touching. So that will be this will be your trigger candle. This very first one here. So that means you are going to move your buy here. But let me explain something to you quickly. Now you see the difference. Look at your profits level here. Small, right? Look at your stop loss. Stop loss will be from this line where you are buying from to this line. So huge stop loss, small profit. That is what they call low or high risk reward ratio. High risk reward ratio. So when you have trades like that, a setup that looks like this, just leave it alone. because if you go and hit your stop loss, it's going to wipe out some of the profit you have made. Okay, Andrew. Okay, let's start from Collins. Hello, Collins. Mohammed. Hello, how are you? Okay. You need to know the indicator. All right. Okay, the indicator is called sessions. Sessions. And where can you find it? Where can you get it from? You can get it from the Telegram group. Okay. No from Navesh. What currency pair does this work best on? Originally was designed for GBP USD, but as you can see, it's been used on many instruments, forex, stocks market, indices, and many more. Even gold. We haven't looked at gold. We are going to look at gold just now. Okay, yes, 5 minutes. Which is exactly the indicator. There are many files in the Telegram. Okay, good question. Very good question, Shuki. Okay, the one you are looking for, let me show you what you are looking for. Look at it. It's called sessions. Yes, you're looking for sessions. That's the one you are looking for, sessions. It's MQ4. So you can adjust it yourself. You know, it's MQ4. It's not EX4. So it's uncompiled code. So you can change whatever you want to change there. You can own it. It can become yours if you want cheat. Okay, right. So it's in the group. Just go to the file session and download that one. Yes. What's your cell number? Oh, okay. That's between two guys. Okay. What currency pair goes for Asian session? Okay, for Asian session, most of the currency pair goes, but when you are looking for Asian itself, you know, during Asian session, Japanese yen is very tradable. Japanese yen, Australia as well, New Zealand. Those are all the Asian currency pairs that you can trade. But I think with this strategy, you can actually do all the majors. You know, all the majors. Excellent. You're unable to find Telegram. Jeez. All you need to do is click this link. Can anybody click this link and let us know if it's working? Okay, let's know if it's working. I think it should be working. So you got to download it on your, I think on your phone. Yes, it's an app. You download it on the app. Okay. So you download it on the app, and then you will use that link and join. All right. MITM tool. Okay, you want to do gold. Okay. MITM tool. They want to do gold. Gold, here we come. Gold is SAU USD, right? So this is gold. Oh, thank you so much, Collins. We're here, enjoying ourselves. Okay, so this is where we are. This is gold. Gold is good today for anyone. Gold seems to be good. So this is gold in Asia session. All right, this is what happened in Asian session. So actually, with all this, you can see patterns in the sessions. Okay, you see we started downward trend from Asian session. It took us to Europe session, and we continue US session. Okay, so the downward trend continues. So here you make TP1, probably, yes, TP1, and here you make probably if your trade continues to US session, you can make TP1, 2, 3, or whatever you want to make there. But definitely in US session, you make 1, 2, or 3. So it's been great. That is good for you, Mr. M2, right? Mutu. Good. All right. Good. Okay, Telegram link is working. Okay. confirmation from Barry that Telegram group is working. Okay, Telegram group manager says it's working. What can we say? The Telegram group manager says it's working, so we believe it's working. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, just click the Telegram channel or the Telegram group and join the group. Anything else for anybody tonight before we close the shop? Before we round up tonight, because today is Friday, you know, we just want to take it easy. You want to do some kind of a back testing. So what I suggest to you, get hold. That's it. Empty mtule. Okay. So get hold of this indicator. Let me give you an assignment for the weekend. Okay. Get hold of this indicator and plug it into any of your charts. Okay, it's so easy. You can see it's so easy. Use the same time we are using here. Plug it to Europe, plug it to America, plug it to Asia, and just fool around. Fool around, test around, you know, experiment. You're not live trading. You're just do a back testing over the weekend. So test around and see how it performs, how it looks on the chart. Okay, so I could do this. For example, Euro GBP, for example. If I need to backtest Euro GBP, for example, I will do this, and I will look at. Okay, this is today, right? So this is today now for Euro GBP. You can see that there's no way you can lose money today if you use this box. Even if you close your eyes and trade today, you will make money. But the fact is that not all the currency pair every day will look like this. Some will look horrible. So you need to do back testing and see, you know, let's say you do back testing for 30 days for Euro GBP. How many days out of 30 do you get a good day where you can hit your TP1, 2, and 3, or TP1 and 2? At least aim to hit at least TP1 and 2 regularly. So because that will account for, that is 2-to-1 ratio. So your risk is always like TP, the size of your TP plus something small. And if you make 2 TP every time, that means you have a good chance of winning. Okay, so do that over the weekend. Plug it into your chart and scroll back and just look at the history. So, oh man, oh, this is Asian session. Asian was good here, Europe was good here, America was good here. Okay, let's see. I'll move on again. Okay, here America was good, even though we have a bit of down here, but it doesn't put us into any sell trade. Europe was good. Asia also was good. Okay. Look at here. Europe here is too large. So here I remember this one was a few days ago. So when you get a large box like this, you just say, thank you, Mr. Large Box. I will see you next time. Bye bye. Bye. See you next time. Because it's not our friend. All the power, all the energy, he has sucked them in. He has sucked all the energy in the market. He sucked them in. So we avoid it. Okay, but then you see this one is a good one. So you keep looking. Great box here. You make good pips. Here you made good pips. Here you made even better pips. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are trading just Euro GBP for the last few days, right, and you keep your patient, because this is a patient business, because something quickly go against you and quickly, you know, you say, oh, I'm no longer using that system. It's rubbish. It doesn't work. I'm going to look for another one. Well, same thing will happen again with the next strategy. So you just need to calm down, understand it. Okay, so I'm just showing you history so that you will definitely know that we are not just showing one day trade and then not actually back testing it. So you can see this is all you can see from Asian session. So this is American session. Bang. In fact, you can trace American session until you get to Asia. You can trade Euro until you hit America. The same thing, you can trade Asia until you hit Europe. You can see direction change in Europe this time, but it continues in Asia. Okay, All right, so Europe and America. So you can see the history, that the history looks very okay. Looks very okay. Most of the time in Asia, you are going to hit your TP1, 2, and 3, possibly. Okay. Now in America, this one is not great because it's a range day. You can see if you draw your 2 lines, it's a range day. So you are not going to be able to make much pips here, since the market didn't break above, and when it did break below, it just went a little bit. So this one is not going to be a wonderful box, but this one is okay. That also is a very good box because it's giving you opportunity here already to make good pips. This American box is a bit large, so it's a bit large. So as I said, if it's large, just ignore it. That one will give you a little bit pips, but it's not the best because we didn't see it go up, 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 up and continue. But this one is great. Okay. Oh, it runs. Okay. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, there we go. Anybody want to see anything before we close this show? Oh, you're in the group now. Excellent. Pritesh, well done. Okay, a lot of people are waiting for you there to help you out. Okay, lots of people are waiting to assist you. Here is the Telegram group channel again. Telegram group, if you have not joined, join and get your questions answered. Okay, any more questions from anybody? We're rounding up now. Shop is about to close. Okay, if there's no more questions, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you so much for joining me today again. You know, it's been a pleasure. A lot of you have benefited, and myself, I have gained a lot from laughing with you and enjoying the time with you. So have a great weekend. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Give time for your family over the weekend. And let Forest take the second position this weekend, okay? Great stuff, great stuff. Everybody enjoy your weekend.